What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Jobber business platform and its different features. So Jobber will be a great beneficial platform for you if you own like a business and you want a professional platform to help you connect with your customers, receive payments, issue invoices, and so much more. So let's say you are a contractor or you have a cleaning business, outdoor cleaning business, you have a construction business, anything like that. Jobber will help you connect with your customers and plan and organize your tasks and payments. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, get to their website, that's getjobber.com, and you'll be redirected here to the home page. And here they offer a free trial. We'll do that in a second. And if you scroll down here, you see that over 200,000 home services trust Jobber. You can see some numbers here, read some reviews, testimonials, and get more or know more about the platform. So here you can organize and track your business operations here, schedule and track all job details. You have your business dashboard here with real-time notifications. And also you get more than 25 apps that can integrate with Jobber. And here you see some other features. You can get easy online booking and payment options, so your customers can book online to see where you are free, and you can receive payments as well. You have an online customer portal and an automated reminder and follow up with your customers. You can track your business or your scheduling through a mobile app here. You have daily routine optimization, and you can collect payments automatically from your customers. So here's some other reviews, some screenshots, some features of the platform. You can get a quote here. You can send quote to your customers. You can schedule, your customers can schedule their times with you or their appointments with you. You can generate invoices and you can receive payments online all in one place. So now let's take a look at their pricing pretty quickly. If you click here on pricing and choose here the monthly, and here you have the Grow plan. You can scale your business with powerful sales. The Grow plan is $349 per month, billed monthly. And the Core plan, which is the cheapest, is for $69 per month. The Connect plan is for $169 a month. And you can start a free trial with any of these platforms. And here you can see and compare the features and benefits of each plan here to see which one is best for you. And you can compare here the plans thoroughly and with detail. So you can easily get a glimpse of what each plan looks like or how can each plan benefit you to select the best plan that suits your business and your needs. So let's start a free trial here. And here you need to enter your work email and your password. So I'm going to do so pretty quickly. And now start free trial. And here you need to add additional information in order to activate your free trial. So I need to add my first last name, my phone number, and my industry. So in the industry, let's say here carpet cleaning, okay. And I've added my phone number and my first and last name. Next. Okay, the company name, How to Simple. And now the team, let's say 2 to 3 people. Where is your estimate? What's your estimated annual revenue? Let's say from 50,000 to 150,000. Okay, next. And here, what's your priority? Get paid faster, increase efficiency, win more work. Let's say get paid faster. Next. And one last thing, how did you know about Jobber? Let's say YouTube. Okay, get started. And here they offer me a big sale on annual plan. No thanks. And here they are getting my account ready. And now I'm on my main dashboard. So here I'm on my home screen. I can create automated invoices follow up here. I can enable them. And I can create a quote right now to get paid. And these are the steps I need to do here to finish my profile, such as adding my company logo and exploring my personalized online client portal. And here, these are all the appointments today. So this is a sample one-off job. They generated this sample client or this sample job to show me how it looks like. So here you get your property address, your contact details, their number, their email, and everything. the job type, if it's one-off job or if it's a recurring, starting on, ending on, and the bill frequency. And here I have the price. The price it's for $250, and I can track time automatically here. I can try this feature to tell me that I've arrived and track the time automatically. So it's a pretty cool feature. It automatically starts when I arrive at the location and turn on, so I can track accurately the time. I can have new time entry here, or I can add new expenses here. So here I have the visits and the billing and the last job follow-up survey. So I can get detailed information about this job. I can edit all the information about this job as well. Now let's go and create here. I can create a client, I can create a request, I can create a quote, a job, or an invoice. Let's create an invoice pretty quickly. And here I have one sample client that that is created by default. And here I can create a new client in the same page. However, let's click on this sample client right here to add or send him a new invoice. Okay, so here it is, the sample one-off job that's generated by default. Okay, next step. And here they give me a free tutorial here to watch on how to save time creating invoice. So some tips on creating the invoice. Okay, and the invoice here has the address, the service, and the contact details. Now the product and product or service, let's see here, they generate an area rug service, quantity 1, and the price is for $250. So if I increase the units here, the price of course will increase. I can add tax, I can add a discount here for the client. Let's say I want to add a percentage discount, okay, 20% off for this client. And now it deducted the 100 pounds and have 400 pounds here as the total. And if the customer paid upfront, let's say the customer paid upfront of 200, I can add a deposit here, and a deposit amount of 200, and then save it, and it'll deduct them from the total. So here the total is 200 after the 100 discount and the 200 that were deposited. And here I can add initial notes or add files, add notes and stuff like that. And here I can save the invoice and continue. Okay, and or send them an email and collect the payment. So here in the schedule, okay, let's leave the site for now. Here I can see all my schedules here, or all my jobs that are scheduled, and it'll help me see when I'm free and when I have jobs to finish. So here, for example, I can click on a day to add a new job, new request, new task, new calendar event. So let's add a new task. And here, task for this sample client. Of course, I need to add the client. So instructions, clean rug for client, for example. And the schedule, it's set for July 16th. The end date is July 16th. Since it only requires one day, I can set it as all day or add start times and date. So if I uncheck this, let's say I'll start at 6 p.m., finish at 7 p.m. It repeats weekly, for example, and then create the task. Okay, the task title. Let's say rug clean. Okay, create the task. And now the task is created and it's a recurring task here. And here they color code the tasks, the jobs and everything, so that I can see at a glimpse here everything at once. Here I have my clients. I can view here, I have one client, which is the sample client. I can add new clients from here. If I click on new client, I can add their title, their first name, last name, company name, contact details, phone number, email address, and their address and everything. Okay, I can save the client. In the requests here, I can view all the requests that are sent to me by clients. So the client can view my schedule. They can send a request here to book me for a job, or I can create a request here manually. So to create a request, here I have my quotes, and I can also create a new quote from here. I have all my jobs. I can view all my jobs in the jobs tab, and I can also add a new job from here, and I can view all my invoices and create also a new invoice from there. In here I have marketing, I can create email campaigns, marketing campaigns, and stuff like that. And here I have all my reports, all my statistics, financial reports, work reports, client reports, as well as expenses. I can add all my expenses and view all my expenses, add new expense, timesheets, and the apps that integrate with Jobber. So I can view all the apps here that integrate with Jobber and integrate them to get more features. That's pretty much it. That's how you can use the Jobber platform if you're a business owner in order to grow your business and reach more clients.